I came to Tamil Nadu, I saw the good work that was being done in Tamil Nadu. I am told that here almost 1.3 crore women every month, head of the families, are getting 1,000 rupees per month. Are you getting or not? No other state in the country is getting it. Here you have CM's breakfast scheme in the schools where the children get breakfast. No other state in the country gets it. When the girls pass out from the school, they get 1,000 rupees per month for higher education. No other state in the country gets it. You get doorstep delivery of medicines and medical services. No other state in the country gets it. That is the reason I have come to campaign for him. If you, the other NDA is not, NDA stands for New Delhi Alliance. NDA is not BJP and ADMK, NDA is only BJP. BJP has captured ADMK. ADMK is completely in the grip of BJP. See what has been done in Bihar. The Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, he was Chief Minister till yesterday. Today he has been reduced to merely a Rajya Sabha member. Why? This will be done with ADMK also. ADMK will be broken into 3 parts and BJP will take over. BJP wants to capture Tamil Nadu. The people of Tamil Nadu hate BJP. You hate BJP or not? People don't want BJP. Tamil Nadu does not want BJP. ADMK has done the biggest crime to Tamil Nadu by bringing BJP to Tamil Nadu. So beware before you vote for them. Another thing, 1 year back in Delhi, the people made a mistake. They voted for BJP in Delhi. Now all the good work that we had done in Delhi, BJP has stopped all the good work. The schools that we had started in Delhi, they have stopped the schools. The clinics that we started in Delhi, they stopped the clinics. The free medicines and treatment we started in Delhi in hospitals, they stopped all that. We had made electricity free in Delhi. Now the people are getting thousands and thousands of rupees of electricity bill.